Have you ever stared at the sky and wondered where rain comes from? One moment, the clouds float harmlessly above us, and the next moment, they burst open to shower us in a refreshing downpour. It's like nature's way of giving us a cool drink. Today, we're going to dive into the magical journey of water, from the ground all the way up to the clouds and back down again. Grab your raincoat, it's time to explore the wonderful world of rain. Let's begin by discovering the water cycle, an extraordinary process that explains how rain forms. It all starts with the sun, which heats up rivers, lakes, and oceans, causing some of the water to evaporate into the air. This process is called evaporation, and it's like the water is magically transforming into invisible air. Once in the air, the water vapor cools down and gathers together to form clouds in a process called condensation. These clouds are made up of tiny water droplets that huddle together. Imagine them as a fluffy group hug. As more water vapor condenses, the droplets get bigger and heavier. When they're too heavy to stay in the clouds, they fall to the ground as rain. This process is known as precipitation. Sometimes, if it's really cold, this precipitation can turn into snow or sleet instead. How cool is that? And after it rains, the water trickles into streams, rivers, and lakes, and the cycle starts all over again. Isn't it fascinating how interconnected everything is? Nature knows how to recycle its resources perfectly. Now that you know where rain comes from, think about this. What do you enjoy the most about rainy days? Maybe it's the sound of raindrops falling onto your window, or the fresh smell of earth after a storm. Or perhaps it's the fun of splashing in puddles. Share your favorite rainy day activities with a friend or family member and see what they love about rain too. Let's keep the conversation going and embrace the incredible journey of water together. What are your thoughts?